Hello everyone, welcome to the session. In this session, we are going to discuss about Global Standards 1. In short, it is GS1. Let's see what is UCC, Uniform Code Council. It is the standard body which promoted the Product Identifier Standard UPC in US and Canada. What is EAN organization? European Article Number. This is the standard body which promoted the Product Identifier Standard EAN in Europe and rest of the world. So these two organizations, UCC and EAN, were responsible for maintaining the barcode standards before GS1 was formed. Now what is GS1 Global Standards 1? It is a not-for-profit international organization for developing and maintaining the barcode standards. It also issues the company prefixes, which is used to create the product identifier like GTINs, UPC, EAN, JAN, ISBN. How the GS1 was formed? Both Uniform Code Council UCC and European Article Number Organization EAN merged and created single entity called GS1 Global Standards 1, which maintains standards for barcode like GTINs, RFID tags, EDI. This organization makes sure that no two different product use the same product identifier in the supply chain. How GTIN's barcode look like? You can see this is GTIN 12 barcode, first, second, GTIN 13, GTIN 8, GTIN 14. These barcodes you will see on the product. If you shampoo bottle, you will see one barcode on that. Or pen, pencil, whatever product you are buying from the market, you will see some barcode printed on the product. So that barcode would be either G10, G10 12, 13, G10 8. How GS1 works? To use these barcode standards like GTINs, the company or manufacturer will have to register itself with GS1 with some annual fee. The registration is renewed every year. After registration, manufacturer gets one code called company prefix, which is the unique number to identify the business or brand, to identify your business or brand. And it is used by the manufacturer to create the GTIN from the GS1 website. Company prefix is nothing but a unique code to your company or to your brand. GS1 having more than 100 plus offices across the globe. GS1 having offices in most of the countries. Company or manufacturer belongs to that country needs to visit the GS1 website of that country to get the company prefix. This is how GS1 works and the process of getting the company prefix. That's all for this session. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.